A gentle pitter-patter wakes Lola Ladybug as tiny raindrops sprinkle the garden leaves. Like and subscribe if you love learning fun nature facts. Lola tiptoes up a green blade, watching shiny droplets roll and shimmer. One amazing thing about raindrops is that they help clean the air as they fall, picking up dust along the way. Scientists have found that ladybugs use the rain to wash their delicate wings and rest safely under leaves. As the clouds drift away and sunlight peeks through, Lola feels cozy and fresh. Tell us your favorite animal in the comments.